Welcome to Old School Cooks. Today we are going to be making one of my favorite old school style buffalo wings. These are not fried. I broil them. I use the classic ingredients, which you might not know are so easy. I'm going to show you how to make these delicious wings right now. All right, guys, so this is what we have to make buffalo chicken wings. Obviously the chicken wings, which have been cleaned perfectly by Mrs. Old School Slots. Salt, pepper, Frank's Red Hot, and some butter. It couldn't be easier. All I'm gonna do is hit the wings with a little salt and pepper and throw them in the broiler. And I will be right back to show you as they're cooking. All right, so just hit them with a little salt and pepper, and I'm gonna throw them into the broiler about 4 inches from the heat on high, and they're gonna be cooking for about 45 minutes to an hour, turning them every 7 to 10 minutes. And I cook them a little bit on the longer side just to make them a little crispy, because that's the way we like them. Let's get them in the oven. All right, guys, so took them out of the oven and gonna give them another turn. This is the third time I'm just flipping them over. They've been in there for about 20 minutes or so. And gonna get them all flipped and put them back in the broiler so they are not fried. They will get golden brown and delicious, and we will get them going. So next stop is gonna be getting the wing sauce ready. Be right back. All right, guys, the wings are almost ready to come out of the oven. Right here, we have the Red Hot. It's about 2/3 of a cup of Red Hot, and I melted 5 tablespoons of butter. Just gonna mix it together and whisk it, and it's ready to throw in the wings and sauce them up. But they're not ready yet. There's my secret trick to make them even more special. And the wings will be out in just a sec. All right, guys, so we have the broiled wings out of the oven right now, and we're just gonna toss them into the buffalo sauce, just like that. I'm not gonna be fancy giving them the flip like some people do in the restaurants because it works better in a stainless pan, but I just kind of give them a quick toss like this. Some people like them just like this after they are sauced up. Get them on the plate and dig in, but I've got a little trick up my sleeve. What I do is I take the Pyrex dish that they were broiling in, drain out the liquid, and guess what? I throw them back in after they've been sauced in the broiler for a few minutes, get them nice and crispy and caramelized, and then they are ready. So we just take them out with the tongs, put them into the Pyrex, back into the broiler. You don't have to flip them. You just put them in there for, at least 2 minutes to like 5 minutes or so, depending on how you like it. And then you throw them back into the bowl. So we'll put a little extra sauce on them, and then it's all good. And I forgot to mention, guys, you can actually make them with a little less Red Hot, if you don't want it as spicy, but Red Hot has an awesome flavor, as do the buffalo wings. So let's get them back in the broiler. All right, guys, I just wanted to show you these bad boys right out of the oven. Crispy, caramelized, delicious. And I'm gonna toss them back in here and sauce them up again and get them ready on the plate, which you will see in the blink of an eye. And there you have it, guys. Buffalo double sauced broiled chicken wings. Awesomeness. Thank you so much for watching this celebratory snack. I hope to bring you some more celebration snacks real soon, because you know what that means? That means it was a great day at the casino. And of course, more slot action is coming your way. Thank you for your support, and all the best. Cheers.